Hi guys, this video is for another person on the forum, so a support video. It's about Samba once more, and I've explained a video, I've put a video line how to get Samba to work. But there's a second, there's a folder, right? We start from a folder and from scripts, and there are two ways. My way is just have the folder shared in here. So I'll just create a folder shared, and that'll be that. And I'll set everything up in the place to be, and the place to be is, if installed, Samba. So Samba is in here, but not really. These are our things. This is our way of creating the Samba configuration when it's involved, when Windows is involved. Use this one. That's the one from Samba itself, Samba community, Samba GitHub, right? And this is our vision. Samba is not installed on this system. Okay, how do we install it? We have a script for it, because it's all kind of technical. You put everything in a script and run it every single time after a clean installation. So one, run it. Go read the code, of course, right? Go read the course, learn what's been run, what did we do, what is this, right? Learn. What is your login? They ask you a question. Who am I? I'm Eric. What's your login? It will be used to add this user to SMB. So my login is Eric. Okay. Password? Very complex password. Okay. I'm in. That's the first one. That's me sharing folders through my network, my LAN, my local area network. That's me sharing. This computer shares with the rest, and everybody can come to my computer and get to my files, write to the files, to the folder, and so on. Okay, so that's code, and it all starts with running number one, running number two. Just type enter if you see you type something wrong. Doesn't like the column there. And that one was already installed, so skipping, fine. And it's the last one that did not run in the last video. And then this is, this is something else. This is, alright, who are we? We are on Nemo. Nemo is there, then install netusershare. Nautilus is there, then probably you're on GNOME. netusershare. Caja is there, so probably Mate Caja share. But I always say probably because I can install Caja on XFC as well. Nemo, I do it all the time. I install Nemo on XFC all the time because I'm an icon developer. Nemo is great for icon developers. Dolphin is for Plasma. Thunar, So it's about thunar-shares-plugin. If you should skip all of that and just install thunar-shares-plugin. Now there is some information here. It's going to add some code about the Samba shares, user shares. It might have changed. Where do you find information about it? Ctrl-Alt-F, ArcoLinux Samba. That was not Samba, but he'll find it, right? ArcoLinux Samba. And you read. This is about user shares. Varlip, user share, Samba share, user shares. So you see the word user a lot. So you go and see where is it mentioned. I think it was there. Enable user shares 141. Maybe these things have changed. Then we need to change the script. But first, right? Let's see. And then we see this. We have a signature from Eric Dubois. It's not good. Simple. It's as simple as arrow up, enter. No, it isn't. Now, of course, I've added group Samba share already twice, but we need to get the thunar-shares-plugin, and that's the third-party product. I wonder. Yay. Thunar shares. It is. It's not on the ArcoLinux repos. It's definitely only on the, not on the Arch, it's on the AOR. Okay. Let's see if I can get rid of this error. Sudo pacman -s cc. Oh, sudo pacman -scc. This is clearing all my cache. Go and have a look at this directory. var, cache, pacman, packages. They're all gone, including the one that gives us problems now. I'm gonna go for just typing this, the thunar, and then something. Shares plugin. So why is this doing this? Signature for fix. Okay. What we always say to the people is run the fix key. Run the fix key. We'll see. Don't think it's that, but that's what we always say, right? Problems with keys. Run the fix key. And there's fix keys, there's fix with a dash and without dash. So several aliases to do exactly the same thing. thunar-shares-plugin. I wonder. Enfin, let's try. Wow. Saved. So they even give us a reference, right? Wiki, ArcoLinux, and creating user share path. That's probably gonna be exactly the same thing. Enable user shares, and it says user share path there. So this thing is a link that does not exist anymore, but it's the same page, right? So what's happened now? Well, let's follow and see if it is okay. If it's okay, yes or no. It's going to the Samba configuration. Let's check if the work has been done. Samba. Go in here. Open with Sublime Text. Drop it here next to each other. Change the colors to Pearl. You go. And what did we do? We looked for global user share. Okay. Oh, they're up here already. So now, because I ran it twice, right? It's twice in there, but once is enough. Control save. So this has been added to the file. Okay, the file is Samba. Anything else? He made a directory varlip Samba user shares group add Samba share. He's gonna add Eric to the Samba share and root Samba share and schmot things, and that looks like it's good. This was just twice. That's not okay. And I'll think it's best always to do a reboot, right? Let everything apply. You can relaunch Samba, I know, but it takes 8 seconds to boot up again. So, all right, who cares? Let the machine do all the work again, load up again, all the services applied. And now, if you want to make a video, I have to think how it was again. If you downloaded the video, right, and you say right mouse click, I want to share this with somebody else in your household, in your local network. You go to properties and you go to share and you share this folder and you say these are the videos of Eric. Share name videos Eric. Allow other users to write. Sure, if you want that, if you want to get other people to share your videos and put them on your system, and allow guest access, right? Try them out with and without them and see what happens. Apply. Thunar needs to add some permission to your folder in order to share it. Do you agree? Okay, I agree. And then we get the same error that was posted on the forum. We get here a netusershare returned error 255. libdebug reopen one log, unable to open a new log file. He wants to open a new log file and videos Eric. No such file or directory. Netuser add share name home Eric videos contains invalid characters. So it's probably something indeed that's not right. I'm not sure if I can solve this out of the box right now. but we can try. First thing we can do is see if Firefox tells us something differently. So the netshare, enable user shares. Let's see. It's a feature. What did we do? Let me see that one. There. So we're gonna make a directory -p varlip samba user shares. Done. Create the user group samba share. Done. Then change the owner of the directory to root and the group to samba share. Change ownership samba share varlip samba user shares. Yeah. And then schmot. Okay. Set the following parameters in the samba conf. Now we're here. No. Now we are here. User share global, user share allow path varlip samba user shares. If it's now first or last, doesn't really matter. 50 is 100. Allow guests. With not that. User share owner only. True. This could have an effect. User share allow guests. That's this one. Oh, they all turned around. Oh my god. Yeah, they were all turned around. Everything is exactly the same. Yes. Add the user to samba share. Okay. Add the user. G password -a to samba share. I've done it differently. Turned it around, but that's okay. Groups. I'm in samba share. What else? Restart all kind of things. Log out, log in. In the GUI, you can use Thunar or Dolphin. Right click. So I guess it's not possible anymore. This is CLI, custom command line interface, and GUI, graphical user interface. And then we have some more lines. Global, create mask directories, set and force, but this looks like it's a new title. Enable user shares. That has nothing to do with it. What was that? No, block certain things on there. Okay, so Thunar, you're no luck. What I'll do is go to the next desktop, much cleaner. Sudo pacman -s nemo and nemo share. My thing in my head, I say now, is this a problem of Samba or is it a problem from the plugin for Thunar? Aha, that might be the reason as well. So nemo share, okay. I wonder if I can stay here and do a shared, well, why not? And then sharing options, yep, share this folder, shared, allow others to create guest access, create share. Yeah, and version automatically returned error 255. Netusershare returned error 255. This it seems to be something not only on Thunar. Netusershare returned error 255. Fix samba error 255. So it's about the folder varlip user and so on. Let's have a look. Control Shift Enter. Where is var? What else? Lib, samba, user shares. How is it looking? User shares is read write executable, and samba share as group, and root. I wonder, right? Root. Let's see. There's an old text that says something about XP. 777. It's about permissions. That's for sure. Time. Periods. Last year. How to share, fix, and so on. Install the samba service. Done. Share this folder. Install service. Add more stuff to it. Share. Allow others to create files and folders. Fix. And here we get the error. Create a share. Who am I? The login user does not. Solution is just add your user to the group. So it must be then the line there. Sudo g password samba share -a Eric. So my script needs to be reversed. It needs to have first samba share, then the -a and Eric, and not -a Eric and samba share. Really? Really? We'll see. Should I? Probably, right? Probably. Restart. Okay, videos in this one. Properties, share this folder, all kinds of things. Apply. Netusershare returned error 255. Cannot modify the share. We're supposed to be able to write in var lib log. What was it again? Subla. That's the fun of subla. Everything is still in there. So varlip samba, user shares. Okay. And we have here, come on, LL. We have, what we can do is make it 777. And see. Let's see. Okay. So sudo chmod. So now it's 770. No, 7. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. 770. what if I change it to 7.7? This user share folder. And then we have this. Okay. How about applying it now? Maybe I should first get out of here. I'm gonna take Nemo this time. The permissions for whom Eric prevent other users from accessing this share. Create share. I did not receive an error. Ah, here it is. Net user share returned error 255. Back to Firefox. System restart the service. We did set the password for it. No, don't think that's it. So that was one. Let's add ArcoLinux to the list. You see, I keep everything open, right? It's the first think out of the box, not pure Arch, but anything. Manjaro is in here as well. Forum, that's share error, 6 December 2021, not that long ago. Arch Wiki no help. How to create a share? I can set needs to have ownership of the file. Okay, here they do speak about thunar-shares plugin, does not work since quite some time. 22, bit surprised that actually there seems to be the only low interest in this topic. Recent Manjaro update, and here is an update. The solution is provided by Megavolt. What do you have to do? Oh my god. Download the following package built in an empty package. Then there is a patch. Make sync depends. Alright. So it has been reported since January 24th on it. We can have a look here what they say there. There is some way of doing things. The program expects long. One month ago, but its seal is still open, it seems. Okay, out of date, broken, closed via commit. So here we are on Manjaro. Please update the package. I suppose that's the patch. So thunar-shares-plugin. Too much. What I'm hoping to find is I type gitlab Manjaro, and on this one, and then we get and that's AOR ArcoLinux. I was hoping to get a package build. Okay. Manjaro. Search by name. And then we search by package build. I'm no longer on Manjaro, I think. Okay, better. Package build. Hey. Packages. I might be looking at the wrong places here. Okay, then the long way. Where did we find that? The long way. This is the package, and that's the patch. Control C. Then we go to this place. Create a document. Package build. And that's code. And then we go over here again. Patch for working. This is a patch. How should I call the patch? Control C. Shares.patch. Shares.patch. Put that there. So the only difference is the long, the L and the long. It's actually a pity, yeah? It's the only difference. That seems to break everything. Then we read. xfc.org. Okay. And then we make the package. I will see. We need the XFC4 tools. That's okay. Install them. Target not found. Manjaro settings samba, right? Install already this. Manjaro settings, Samba. Voila. Was something red up there? A warning. Alright, we have a new plugin, thunar-shares plugin, that we can downgrade. It wants to downgrade. So I have now a new thunar-shares plugin. I go to Eric, videos, properties, permissions, share this folder, do this, that, apply, netusershare returned. Let's reboot so it has all the channels it will need. No luck, just chance. Properties, share. Close. It seems to work. How can I test that it works? Browse network. Shouldn't I be able to see this then? Can we see it in varlip? Samba share, what was it again? Varlip. Yeah, here it is. Aha, there is something there. There is something written. So that's okay. And I'm in control. Eric did something there. So it's actually working, and here we see these strange things here. I was just on the website. Home, Eric videos, comments, share. Now this is VirtualBox, might react some way differently, I don't know. Because I thought we should have seen the folder here. Let's give it another reboot. Reboot. It is shared. This is something we need to test on the real machine, right? Real metal. But this makes me want to try this on real metal. So, yay, thunar shares plugin. We're at version 3.1. The name is a little bit different, I guess. The name reference. But I know what I need to do. I need to change the -L there to long, and I'll make my own version. And we'll see. Probably make another one as well. I'll make this one as well and add that to the list so you can try 2 packages. Alright, learned a lot. Fix is coming soon.